CompXM Fastest Simple Guide to Top Results in 1 to 2 Hours. CompXM Simulation Practical Strategy Guide for MBA Candidates. This concise guide provides an actionable, results-oriented framework for approaching the CompXM simulation. It is designed to equip MBA students with the foundational decisions necessary to achieve competitive performance in all 4 rounds. While simplified, the strategies here are grounded in principles of strategic management, operations, and finance. Initial setup and product portfolio strategy. Participants commence the simulation with 4 existing products: Thrift, Core, Nano, and Elite. While the creation of new products is not mandatory, any decisions to launch additional products should be made in round 1 only, due to time-to-market considerations and diminishing returns in later rounds. Research and development, R&D, aligning with market drift. Each segment experiences specific drift rates, indicating shifts in customer preferences. Use the following drift benchmarks to align product positioning through R&D decisions: Thrift, plus 0.5 size, minus 0.5 performance. Core, plus 0.8 size, minus 0.8 performance. Nano, plus 0.8 size, minus 1.1 performance. Elite, plus 1.1 size, minus 0.8 performance. Best practice: make R&D adjustments early, round 1 or 2, and avoid changes later to prevent production bottlenecks or excess inventory due to misalignment. Marketing strategy, price positioning and forecasting. Pricing guidance. Thrift and Core segments, set prices $2-3 below the segment's maximum to increase competitiveness and drive higher sales volumes. Nano and Elite segments, these premium segments tolerate higher pricing, price at or near the maximum allowable. Sales forecasting. A conservative and adaptive forecast model is recommended. Sales forecast equals 50% of benchmark prediction. This accounts for market volatility and competitive dynamics. Promotion and sales budgets. Rounds 1 to 3, promotion, $1,500 sales, $2,000. Round 4, promotion, $1,000 sales, $1,000. Sustained early investment builds brand awareness and accessibility, while tapering off in round 4 preserves profitability. Production planning, efficient capacity management to balance demand and avoid stockouts or surplus. Use this formula: production equals 1.15 times sales forecast, current inventory. Adjust production capacity up/down each round to meet forecasted demand. Invest in automation annually, +1 each round, with a goal of reaching automation equals 10 for Thrift and Core as early as possible to maximize cost efficiency. Human resources, talent investment for long-term gains. A well-trained workforce contributes directly to productivity and profitability. Recruiting spend, $5,000 training hours, 80. This combination optimizes workforce efficiency without causing excessive labor cost escalation. Financial management, maintaining liquidity and capital structure. Maintain a strong cash buffer to prevent emergency loans or liquidity crises. Issue long-term debt as needed to ensure cash on hand remains greater than or equal to $5,000. Avoid overleveraging while maintaining solvency and flexibility in operational decision-making. Total Quality Management, TQM, Strategic Investment Plan. TQM investments reduce costs, improve efficiency, and enhance customer satisfaction over time. Recommended spending schedule: Round 1, $1,500. Round 2, $1,500. Round 3, $1,000. Round 4, $0. No further ROI from late investment. Conclusion and strategic mindset. This guide serves as a foundational playbook to navigate the CompXM simulation effectively. Success in CompXM hinges not just on tactical choices but also on strategic consistency, responsiveness to market data, and financial discipline. Always review industry reports, monitor competitor movements, and adapt forecasts accordingly. For further questions, scenario-specific analysis, or personalized decision support, MBA students are encouraged to consult simulation data, use sensitivity testing, or engage in team-based discussions to refine their approach. Fastest support TO. Get top results $9.99. Email: behelp2002@gmail.com. Blog: https://capsimguide2021.blogspot.com, free Excel file for all 4 rounds, download from blog or send the email. Online quick support Q&A equals WhatsApp equals https://bit.ly/3silp9u. Whole game support equals $40 for 4 rounds plus 5 quizzes support equals top results.